Hello everyone, welcome to the Avi Narrative. Today I'm going to order and unbox a new iPad Pro 5 chip. So I'm choosing 13-inch model and I'm gonna go with the space black. I'm gonna choose to go with 2 TB and Nano-Textured Glass and Wi-Fi plus cellular. Let's go with no engraving for now. I don't need a pencil. And I do need a keyboard, so let's go with the black. And I don't have a trade-in, so let's not put any trade-in here. And I'm gonna buy it. And I do have an AppleCare Plus, so I'm skipping to no Apple coverage. And this is $29.48, or it's almost close to $3,000. A lot of people are going to ask me, why did I buy the most expensive iPad Pro? Well, this is an iPad Pro 13-inch, 2 TB storage, and a Nano-Textured Glass, and it's an M5 chip. It's not because I had to buy this, but it's a choice. Let's start with the box itself. On the side, you can see that there's an iPad Pro sign. In the back, there's some configuration, storage configuration, and some Wi-Fi plus cellular, and it's an M5 chip. So here comes my favorite part, peeling off the plastic. Apple's pull tab packaging is simple and feels like oddly satisfying. Alright, let's revert the box and let's slowly open it. And there it is, the iPad Pro 13-inch sitting right on the top. I love how Apple places the devices first. That's the very first thing you see when you open the box. And this one has a Nano-Textured Glass, which is designed to reduce the glare, and it's very useful if you work near the windows, any other studio lights. If you don't like any harsh reflections, this is the way to go. Just holding it for the first time. The thinness is like honestly shocking. I mean, the glare is really good. I mean, I don't feel any glare. At the back, I just put some engraving for myself. Obvious iPad Pro M5. And my website information. Even though this is a 13-inch device, I mean, it feels incredibly light for its size. I mean, Apple really nailed the balance between the screen size and the portability. Now, let's see what's inside the box. As usual, Apple keep things very minimal. You get a documentation packet. Oh, there's a new polishing cloth. That's nice. And they have given us a USB-C cable. I feel like this cable is much better for higher performance and better accessory compatibility, like, you know, the ones that I have on the AirPods Max or any other camera devices that you have, or any displays or docks. I'm just gonna throw the trash here for now. And it comes with a 20-watt adapter. Honestly, I hate this. I'm gonna use my 40-watt adapter that I bought recently, because that's better for faster charging. Along with the iPad, I also picked up the Magic Keyboard for the 13-inch iPad Pro. This is the official one. The Magic Keyboard is surprisingly clean and simple. The box is thinner than the iPad box. I mean, Apple keeps the branding minimal, just the product name and the compatibility information on the backside. Let's open it up. Apple uses a sleeve-style packaging. Everything inside is like tightly secured, so nothing moves. The first thing you notice is the build quality. It feels solid and well balanced. The exterior has this soft touch finish, which feels like kind of premium and gives it a like clean and professional look. This keyboard kind of uses a floating design where the iPad attaches magnetically and appears to like hover above the keys. And the keys are like backlit and have a laptop style layout, so which makes it like much closer to like a MacBook experience. And the hinge mechanism feels like really strong and smooth. Magnetic attachment is like very firm, so once the iPad snaps in, it feels like very secure and stable. Well, the reason why I bought this iPad is I mostly use it for editing, streaming, and watching any movies, and doing some work activities like team calls or Google Meets. So the old one that I had I felt it was like more limiting. Well, this 13-inch gives me more space, more comfort, and better for multitasking, to be honest. And why did I choose 2 TB? Well, this giant 2 TB means like I get more extra storage, so I don't have to think about deleting the files or cleaning up the files, and like I don't have to worry about like buying an iCloud, to be honest. Well, it's better to have an iCloud just in order to like have some backup or something. Well, 2 TB means I never have to worry about any storage issues. Like I can keep editing files, I can download as many as I want. This Nano-Textured Glass kind of gives me like more comfort over the lighting, and especially, you know, given the daytime or the nighttime, so I don't feel any discomfort with the lighting. Well, I understand this iPad is not for everyone. It's ideal for creators, it's ideal for professionals, it's ideal for multitaskers, and some might say this is a replacement to a laptop, and this is 13-inch model. Most of the MacBook Airs like do come in some 13-inch size too, so it's kind of a replacement. It weighs very light. Well, this iPad may not be right for you if you're just watching YouTube or Netflix. It might be kind of like an overkill. So why is Apple so expensive? You pay for build quality, ecosystem, longevity, and overall a better experience. These Apple devices last for long, like I would say probably for years. The last iPad, I almost used it for like 4 years. I'm planning to use this for at least like probably 7 or 5. I don't know, it depends on like how Apple treats this. And this works seamlessly with my MacBook and iPhone 17 Pro Max that I have. Well, if you ask me, is it worth it? To be honest, it depends on the usage. So it's kind of a streaming device for me. It kind of replaces a laptop that I have, which is really heavy. This kind of makes the cost more justified for me in this case. Like you get the best one, portable one, and the lightweight one with the M5 chip, as powerful as MacBook Pros. If you want, I can test some apps, like some editing apps or games or productivity workflows that you need. Drop the suggestions in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.